So here we are in 2024, smack dab in the middle of March, smack dab in the middle of a big update. If you're like me and you're working on a blog, of course, I'm doing my AI blog case study live here on the channel. But if you're like me, you're looking at YouTube, how to create a blog for affiliate marketing. You're not thinking about artificial intelligence. You're not thinking about anything other than how can I, right now in 2024, create a blog with what's going on. And if you don't know what's going on, we're right in the middle of an update from Google, new ways we're tackling spam, low quality content on search. There's a massive update from Google going on, and it's about reducing low quality or unoriginal results, or that's what they say it's about, or keeping spam out of your results. And they're focused in on these three things that are happening or have been happening, or they claim is the issue or what is making search give results that aren't actually helping people, and that's what they're trying to fix. And you, as an affiliate marketer trying to create a blog, whether you're using AI or not is irrelevant. You need to understand what scaled content abuse is, site reputation abuse is, and expired domain abuse. Now, there is a cool article from Search Engine Land that breaks this down in a little more detail, and in detail that you could actually understand. So check that out, but really understand that the March 2024 spam updates, scaled content abuse about search, or scaled content abuse search spam. What they call search spam is anything that is automatically generated at scale, and it's just there, as they say here, to provide or to pretend to have answers to popular searches but fail to deliver helpful content. And it's all about their long-standing spam policy, and really understanding no matter whether you're using AI or you have a human or a team of humans writing all the content, they're saying if you just create content for the sole purpose of building out a site just to manipulate the rankings or to manipulate search or to be an SEO and to create content at scale for the sole purpose of trying to manipulate or trick the algorithm into getting you ranked, no matter how you do that, to include the use of expired domains, which they now consider spam, which means that you buy a website and you redirect that link juice or the idea of the authority of that old expired domain, and you link that to a new site, or you take that site and you just pad it with content. Again, whether it's from a human or an AI, you pad it with content strictly for the purposes of manipulating the search engines. Then there is parasite SEO or site reputation abuse. This honestly is for the bigger sites out there that are abusing the fact that they have authority and they can create an article. For example, as an AI affiliate marketer or as an affiliate marketer, whether you're using AI or not, the idea was if you have a site with authority, you could just spin up some articles, again, whether you do it through AI or you hire a team of writers, and you start reviewing products, and you go for, and that's what I want to talk about really in depth in this video, is you're going for the top of the funnel, people that are looking to make a purchase decision. So you do a review and you say, look out or check out this review of refrigerators, check out this review of flashlights, check out this review of insert product here from Forbes.com, Rolling Stone, or CNET, any site that already has authority, and you abuse the fact that you have that authority. This also has something to do or stuff to do with like Reddit and all that. But the big idea here is going back to this thing or this idea of where we are in 2024, March 2024 spam update and the March 2024 core update. They started on the 5th of March. This is the 15th of March, and they're still rolling these out. You can see these updates here, the duration, they're about 15 days. They're about a month. It takes about a month for it to roll out, for the algorithm to completely be rolled out across the entire web, and for Google's system to say, okay, now we are solid. We understand the rules. All of the servers out there have been programmed, the spiders, the bots, everything that's doing the work are programmed now to understand exactly what it is we're looking for. But then there is the actual changes that take effect. Some people see this stuff instantly. There have been some manual actions. So it goes back to the idea and the concept here of how am I going to create an affiliate marketing blog? Now, if you're following my case study, you know that that's what I'm doing. I'm essentially using AI to create helpful content. And then as a marketer, as an affiliate marketer, I'm going to add affiliate links that help people solve a problem based upon the fact that they are finding my helpful content, and then I lead them to a solution. This, and I've talked about this in other videos, but the idea is top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, or stages of awareness from Eugene Schwartz, for example, from his book that was written in the 60s, again, that I talk about here on the channel, as a marketer utilizing content or creating content to essentially let people know information that is helpful for them that solves their problem. So the stages of awareness, top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, is all about when people are doing a search and they're looking for content. And again, whether or not the content is found during or through search is not really the issue here, because there are other traffic sources other than Google. But go back to the Google Search Console, you can see that I'm getting clicks and I'm getting impressions still. This is the Google update, but this was also for me in my case study, switching from Grooveblog over to WordPress. So I did see a dip here in impressions, but the thing is impressions went down, but clicks, stayed the same, or the percentage, the average CTR would actually be a little better. So I'm still getting impressions and clicks as everything sort of works its way out with the update, as well as me moving things over. So that takes me into the big idea. What am I doing with the blog based upon these queries? And here I want to focus in on a very specific query to make the point of new rules, but same idea or the same concept of what it is we're doing to create helpful content, whether we allow or let our main traffic source be Google. You could take a look at this query, best red light or best red flashlight for astronomy. I'm getting clicks. I actually have made commissions from this keyword, or people have bought red flashlights or red flashlights for astronomy through my links from my sites. So the idea here is, what am I doing? And what I'm doing is I'm going back to ChatGPT. And if you take a closer look at this conversation, again, I don't like to say or think of these as prompts. I like to think of me having a conversation with the AI. So again, going back to creating content and the spammy updates or the spam updates and the people that are out there saying that AI is dead, you can't use AI to create content and then rank with Google. I don't think that's quite true from what I've seen and what I'm seeing from my own content, the content I'm creating. But here you can see I'm looking to create 5 blog posts that build authority, or that will build a complete authority content cluster that leads a searcher on Google from the top of the funnel to the middle and bottom of funnel to make a purchase of a product I recommend. Understanding that you're taking them through a funnel or a content funnel. They find some helpful content, then they keep reading on your blog, they keep consuming your content. They go to the middle of the funnel to understand that they need, or they should be looking for, a red flashlight for astronomy. And then the bottom of the funnel is the best one when they're ready to make a purchase. ChatGPT is then going to give me, or give us, the blog posts that we need to write. Whether you write them with AI, whether you outsource them, whether you write them yourself, whether you let AI do the heavy lifting and give you an outline and then you fill in the blanks, or all of the above. Here you can see that now I have the 5 blog posts, and this is ultimately the plan. The plan is to take people through these stages of awareness. The first article is The Hidden Wonders of a Night Sky, or of the Night Sky Observation and Introduction. This blog post targets the unaware stage, designed for readers who enjoy stargazing or are curious about astronomy, but haven't considered the technical aspects or the tools that could enhance their experience. So they don't know, and they're not searching for best red light or best red flashlight for astronomy. They're just looking at the things, or they're looking at the big picture. They're looking at the things that they want to know, that they're interested in about observing the night sky. Then you take them through that. So you'll link this blog post to this blog post. It would be like if you're in a funnel. It's the same concept, the same idea. Internal linking on your AI blog or on your affiliate blog, whether you're using AI or not, you're linking internally from that first blog to take them to the next stage of awareness. Why ordinary flashlights don't work for astronomy? Because they didn't know, or they're not aware yet. And here you're focusing on the problem aware stage. And this post is going to educate the readers on the specific issue of using regular flashlights for astronomy and why they need a red flashlight. And aha, now you understand the plan here and the actual new plan for 2024, which is really the old plan. But a lot of people really, when they were starting blogs as an affiliate marketer, or they heard that they could manipulate, or they saw that they could create content in a certain way to rank for immediately the bottom of the funnel, which where people are buying products. So clicks to their blog turn into clicks on their affiliate links, and that's sort of the way they did the math, and that's the way they saw it. And it happened in a shorter period of time than normal because they were able to manipulate the SEO rankings or the search rankings utilizing very specific content and doing it in a way that Google has now said that is abuse. So we go back to the old way of doing this. And again, we're writing content for people. We are paying attention to SEO because we do want to rank in Google, but there are other search engines as well. Don't forget that. So we want to be found in search, but we also want content that we can use if we want to run paid traffic, or if we want to create a Facebook page, a Pinterest account, or post on Reddit or Quora or any of these other places where people are going. And Google is actually giving favor to Reddit and or Quora. So your answers there could then lead back to your content on your blog, and you could take people through this content funnel or through these stages of awareness. This is the plan. And we're doing that here in the third stage, targeting the solution aware stage. This article introduces the red flashlights as the solution to the problem outlined previously. So we started in the unaware stage. We brought them into the problem-aware stage. Remember, this is all content that we're creating with a very specific purpose to take them through the content funnel or the stages of awareness. And then, once they're now aware of the problem and aware of the solution, the next article we're creating is the top 5 red flashlights for astronomy in, and of course, you could put the year here. You can change that title, and you have features and comparisons. Now, they know they need a red flashlight, and they're looking for the best one. Then, of course, they're now looking at all 5 of those, and you're calling out the best one, and you're saying, why this product name? So again, this can be found in search because you're specifically saying a product name once someone has become solution aware, and now they move into the final place, or what the final authority or the final piece of content in this authority content cluster. It's targeting the folks that are in the most aware stage, focusing on readers who are ready to make a purchase. So you can take them through all these stages: unaware, problem aware, solution aware, product aware, now the most aware. But this can also be found in search because they are looking for a specific product name. And I hope you can see top, middle, and bottom of funnel on the screen here inside of my ChatGPT chat, inside of the conversation that I just had with ChatGPT to show you the content that I'm creating on my AI blog that I'm going to update you in the next series of videos as I create this content and position myself on my blog, which already ranks for that keyword. So I understand and know people are searching, people have found my content and actually clicked on my link and made a purchase. Now I can cast a wider net in 2024 and create, again, content that is, yes, engineered for search, but not overdone for search, as well as not abusing the fact that I am not trying to litter my site with information about the best red flashlights and just do it for people at the bottom of the funnel or people that are the most aware, ready to buy. I'm doing it for everyone or anyone that can find my content in search, and then I can naturally take them through the progression or down through the funnel or step them up to let them know, hey, look, you are interested in this topic of astronomy just like I am. I can take you through this journey to show you the tools that you need. By the way, one of the tools is this red flashlight. This is the best one. Bingo, bongo, boingo, click. You get the idea. Now you know exactly what the plan is as we move forward, even with these March updates right now here in 2024. We are still going to move forward and create content that is helpful, that we can also get it found in search. So the content can be used in multiple ways to get found in search. It can also be used for traffic that we want to send if we want to use Reddit or Quora or Pinterest or Facebook, or even run ads, Google ads to our content. And ultimately, we're following the top strategy of traffic offer people, thinking about presenting our offer once people find us from our different traffic sources, and then building an email list about, or putting people on an email list and making it about actually helping them and sending them more helpful information directly to their email inbox. This strategy has been proven. I proved it with YouTube, and now I'm proving it right here with you, utilizing a blogging platform or utilizing AI to build out a blogging platform for traffic inside of the top strategy, and you're following along. I appreciate it. If you got any questions or thoughts, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next update. Bye.